What's that one mean?
What's it mean?
Ah, come on, don't do that.
Tattoos don't have to mean anything.
Everything means something. So what's it mean?
I don't remember.
What about that one?
No, yeah, I don't remember that one either.
That.
No.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's like they've just grown on me and I don't remember what it's like not to have them.
Huh. What about the bird?
Bird?
Right there.
Oh yeah, that one's not done. I remember that one though.
Let's hear it.
It's this bird I know.
This bird you know?
Yeah.
Ah, come on, tell me. Really?
This bird I know.
Secrets.
No secrets. Believe what you want.
I think I regret this.
No, you don't.
Okay.
You want to know what it is?
Do I?
Goddamn right you do. It's turning out scary good. I mean, I don't know, I don't do these.
Oh my god, don't say it.
What? Yeah, this is my first one.
Oh my god.
I'm a goddamn artist.
The rest of my
It's
life.
turning out scary good. Plus, what do you want a life for?
For being a functioning human being.
What?
Oh my god.
I don't understand how people can aspire to function. Everybody functions, it's not impressive.
That's not true. Functioning is the hardest thing for some people.
It's true. But now I've marked you. Try functioning now. Functional? It's nice to hear you laugh like that, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. You've been Muppeting.
What's that?
You know when Muppets are sad or introspective and they go around like...
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What's been that? Huh.
Yeah.
Has
like
that been it?
Yeah, like that. And I have a feeling it's about something totally ridiculous.
It's not about anything real. I'm crazy.
Don't use that word.
Sorry. I'm bananas.
You're not bananas. If you feel something, then it's real.
Okay.
Oh, I remember this one.
Yeah, I've had it a couple times. And then it leaves me feeling this crazy weight. And the paranoia is totally gone. It's just this horrible guilt. Because even though he came after me and I was so scared, I still feel responsible for him dying.
See, that's the most rational thing I've ever heard.
Thanks.
Had a feeling, anyhow.
Is that why I'm getting the free tattoo?
Mm-hmm.
The one I didn't know I wanted?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
It's done.
Oh.
Want to see?
No. Lay down with me. The sky's being pretty.
Your first tattoo, Beth. Just ask
Sky.
me what it is.